Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, today we are going to play with the Lime Crime palette. This is one of my favorite palettes. I think the colors are really pretty and so I thought we'd do a look today. This look. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. Paracone MD no eyeshadow on. So I'm going to use that as my primer, as I do, and so I figured I'd show you. Just take a little dot. It's really quite easy. And then, now I am going to show you that you can use this palette, even though there's only two matte colors. I'm going to show you how I would use it. I would wear shimmer no matter what, but that's just me. But there's a way for you to wear it where it doesn't look like crazy. So I'm going to take the lightest color, which is, first let me just show you these beautiful colors. There you go. So I'm going to take the lightest color, the lightest matte color. And again, we're going to go up high on the brow bone. And there's very little fallout, there's very little dust. This is a really beautiful palette. I really like this one a lot. So I'm just going up really high. Okay, then I'm going to take the darker color on the same brush and I'm going to tap off all the excess. And then I'm going to go in. Jeffrey. I'm trying to watch you and me at the same time. So I'm going to go in right in the middle and right at the brow bone. Even though we only have two mattes, they're really good mattes, so we could do it. And I'm going to kind of angle up. Now we're going to take a little brush and we're going to go into that same nice deep color with a little brush and we're going to deepen that V. And then I'm going to bring it along of the crease. So making a little V. I'm just packing it in there, making it darker because we're not spreading it out like we did under the brow bone. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush or a brush, clean brush, and we're just going to blend that area in. And the beautiful thing is you really don't have to do a lot of blending with this. Now I'm going to go ahead and take another flat brush and go back into the nude color, that kind of nudie color. And I'm going to put it on this side. And then I'm going to darken up just a little bit more the very outer V. I'm going to take a nice clean brush and I'm going to go into the nude color again, Divinity. And I'm just gonna hit way up on that brow bone again. Kind of blending those two together. Okay, so we could stop here and then we've used the colors and I could put on, but I need a little sparkle because that's me. But I'm gonna show you how I could do it going to work. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little flat tip and I like a little sparkle in the center, or excuse me, in the corner. So I'm gonna take that beautiful gold There we go. So bad. Now, okay, so I'm gonna bring you guys in even closer. Okay, so you see that we have the little gold there. Now, if we want to tone it down a little, take that nude right on top of the brush you just used and just gently pull it towards the center. So we're just getting a little bit of sparkle. This is not like, no one's gonna go, oh my gosh, she's wearing sparkle. And if she is, what? Now, because it just brings this brightness, right? But it's not like screaming, oh my God, sparkle. Now, if you want to bring a little bit of sparkle, what? I'm a sparkle girl. Taking the little shimmery shade here, and I'm just gonna pat it. Or I'm gonna take my finger. And I mean, I'm taking the smallest amount. Actually, I should do one eye so I can show you the difference. Okay, so we added a little bit of sparkle to this one, and there's nothing on this side. You really can't tell. I mean, it's just the teeny tiniest, the light will catch it, and it just makes it really beautiful, I think. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyes and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the lower lash. I'm gonna take that little nude and the brown and kind of mix those two together and then hit, there we go. And just go quarter way. Now I'm going to color mauve brown color and just darken the lower lash line corner. And there we go. Now, we could stop here. We could to blend this and match this up a little here. I'm just connecting the lower and the top. Okay, so we could stop here, but we could just take a little bit of that gold shimmer and just touch in there. That's such a pretty look, and I'm wearing it during the day. I'm actually going out, and I think it's such a pretty look. And yeah, there's a little bit, we do have a little bit of shimmer here and a little tiny bit there, but honestly, take the shimmer away and it's just still beautiful. All right, guys, that's it. That's how I love using the Lime Crime Rose Gold palette. I think it's a beautiful palette. The 4 colors are perfect. If you're gonna have 4 colors, you wanna be able to use all of them. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you on Friday. Hope you guys have a great week, and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.